If you have a cleaning company or you're a person that just loves to clean, and I'm telling you, the Pink Stuff multi-purpose cleaner is an amazing product to use. It doesn't have any harsh chemical smell. It's perfect for your home and it gets the job done. So usually when I'm cleaning for clients, I tend to use the Pink Stuff. And the Pink Stuff has a variety of products such as a paste, a cleaning paste, various sprays. So look into it. I do have a link that you can utilize to order the Pink Stuff from Amazon. But this is what I like to do. I like to spray and also use the microfiber cleaning cloth dry the first round. And then the second round, what I'll do is I'll go dampen the cloth like you'll see here. But I like to let the spray sit for a couple of minutes so it can just break down that buildup that's on that surface. And I didn't clean the whole door. This is just for, a demonstration purposes. I did get to the whole door afterwards, but I just wanted to show you how I cleaned this section of the door. And this is perfect if you have pets as well or kids and you're like, oh my goodness, this is just looking crazy. You're a little embarrassed. There's no need to be embarrassed, but things happen. But this is the best way to get those surfaces clean. And I always get great compliments for clients that I clean for. So like I said again, if you have a cleaning company, or even if you're a solo cleaning company owner, this is perfect for you, especially if you're trying to save money. Let me know what you think.